I got some troubles, but they won't last. I'm gonna lay right down here in the grass. And pretty soon all my troubles will pass. 'Cause I'm in shoo shoo shoo, shoo shoo shoo, shoo 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 shoo, Sugar Town. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
Hi guys, today we are going to make a rainbow cake. The ingredients are 6 eggs, a mixing bowl, water, cake mix, whisk, coloring food, that are the colors of the rainbow, yellow, red, green, blue, and purple. First, you crack the eggs. I never done this before. Now let's bring in the mixing bowl for the eggs. Just be careful. Be careful. Then you pour in the water. Then you pour in the oil. And then you mix it. Until the eggs are mixing. And now we're gonna put the cake mix. The goodest part of all. Open the bag of cake powder. Be careful with this part. You might need scissors. Ask an adult to help you. The cake mix is already open. Then pour it in. Pour it, all of it in. Done. The next one. Just a tiny oops. Remember, I'm only 6. Woo! We're gonna use the ladle to pour batter in each of these different bowls. Like this. First, get some. Get it out into this one first. Here comes the fun part, the coloring. Let's start off with blue. You can either get a little spoon or a toothpick. So I dip it in there, just get a little bit like this. Put it in like this. Now let's do red. Red. It's beautiful, right? Keep scraping. Isn't that a beautiful color? Now let's mix the blue. Blue like blueberry. Now let's do green. Green. Then stir. Now yellow. Your guys' favorite color? Well, it looks like green, but it looks like orange, but it's yellow. Now purple. Purple. The last one. Get the yellow. Stop. Scrape it all off. Now red. Red and yellow mix. Orange. Stir this one with the spoon. Look at this amazing color. It's a beautiful color. Then yellow. Now this is the final part. Now we're gonna get these balls and pour it in the middle, slowly, like this. All of it, like that. That's all. In the center. The green, all of it in. Now the orange. You bake it at 350 for 50 minutes.
U sve probleme što imam ja, ko sretnu djevojku me svatko zna, jer sama sebi stvaram svijet iz mog sna, a to je šu šu šu, šu šu šu, šu 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 šu, Studiochichan.